the side of the road, baby. You know what we're saying? We in the club and shit. We're literally trapped, mate. Like, I'm outside in my Converse and my tour man.
Not sure exactly what happened.
So, the car's, the tyre's flat. nothing bad happened. The tyre is flat. There's nothing we can do about that. All I know is we're not making it out of the hood.
A few moments later.
What you want to do is just thread one of the lugs back in a few turns so it'll hold the wheel when it comes free. You can either use a large crowbar and pry, or you can use a hammer and hit the tire.
We're stuck, but we're trying to not be stuck currently. And Manny's back is hurting.
I have to jump out the car quick.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Why, like, jack it up because it's not really working.
One phone call to the plug for the pack. 2 phone calls for the... Look at my catch. Let's go! Mate, they want to see me fail, bro. They want to see me fail. But Manny did it. As you were. Don't look back in anger. Have a good day.
How did you do